Imagine a world where the kind of cinematic quality you usually associate with big-budget Hollywood productions can literally fit into the palm of your hand. A world where capturing breathtaking aerial footage no longer requires a license, a heavy backpack, or a massive financial investment just to access a large sensor and high-resolution video. For years, the drone industry operated under a kind of invisible barrier, a glass ceiling that forced creators to choose between portability and performance. If you wanted top-tier image quality, you had to accept the burden of flying a heavier, regulated drone, dealing with restrictions, permits, and extra gear. But now, as we move deeper into 2026, that ceiling is not just beginning to crack, it is being completely shattered. The DJI Mini 6 Pro has emerged not merely as another rumored upgrade or incremental improvement, but as a bold declaration that the rules have fundamentally changed. This drone represents a turning point, a moment where cutting-edge technology and extreme portability finally converge without compromise. Welcome to a new era of aerial creativity, where DJI has decided to bring the power of its flagship systems into a compact, sub-250-gram body. If you are a travel vlogger chasing golden hour shots across different continents, an aerial photographer seeking that perfect perspective, or simply someone who loves the thrill and freedom of flight, the Mini 6 Pro is something you cannot ignore. It has the potential to make older drones feel outdated almost overnight. To truly understand why this device is generating so much excitement, you have to look back at what the 249-gram category used to represent. For years, staying under that weight limit meant making sacrifices. You could have a lightweight drone, but you had to accept a smaller sensor. You could enjoy portability, but stability and advanced features often took a hit. It was always a trade-off. With the Mini 6 Pro, that compromise appears to be gone. Through the use of advanced materials like a magnesium-lithium alloy combined with a redesigned carbon fiber internal structure, DJI has managed to reduce weight while simultaneously making room for something the industry once thought impossible in this class: a true 1-inch sensor, often referred to in leaks as the Titan sensor. This is not just a minor improvement in image quality, it is a massive leap forward. You're talking about a 50-megapixel camera capable of capturing incredible detail, paired with an estimated 14 stops of dynamic range. That level of performance puts it in the same conversation as professional mirrorless cameras, but now it is flying above landscapes, cities, and environments that were once difficult to capture without much larger systems. The implications are enormous, especially for creators who want professional results without the complexity of professional gear. Of course, image quality alone is not enough. A powerful camera needs a stable and flexible platform, and this is where the redesigned gimbal system plays a crucial role. The Mini 6 Pro introduces what is being described as a 225-degree horizon gimbal, a significant upgrade that changes how pilots can frame their shots. Traditionally, drone cameras have struggled with upward angles, often limited by propeller interference or mechanical constraints. This new design appears to solve that issue by repositioning the camera in a way that allows it to tilt much further than before. The result is the ability to shoot straight upward at a full 90-degree angle, unlocking creative possibilities that were previously limited to specialized FPV setups. Imagine flying beneath a massive bridge, weaving through towering architecture, or gliding under dense forest canopies, then tilting the camera straight up to capture a completely new perspective. It transforms the way stories can be told from the air. It is not just about better footage. It is about entirely new angles and compositions that were once difficult or impossible to achieve with a compact drone. Another feature that is creating a wave of excitement is the introduction of what is rumored to be nightscape LiDAR technology. One of the biggest challenges for small drones has always been low-light performance, not just in terms of image quality, but also navigation and safety. Traditional vision sensors struggle in darkness, making nighttime flights risky, especially around obstacles like trees, wires, or buildings. The Mini 6 Pro aims to change that by integrating a solid-state LiDAR system into its design. This technology allows the drone to actively scan its surroundings by emitting millions of light pulses every second, building a precise three-dimensional map of the environment in real time. This is more than just improved obstacle avoidance. It is a complete redefinition of how drones perceive the world. With this system, features like active track could potentially function even in near-total darkness, allowing the drone to follow subjects through challenging environments like forests at night or dimly lit urban streets. It brings a level of confidence and safety that was previously unimaginable in such a small device, effectively reducing the risk of crashes and opening the door to nighttime cinematography on a whole new level. Transmission technology has also taken a significant step forward. Anyone who has flown a drone in a crowded area knows the anxiety that comes with signal interference, lag, or sudden dropouts. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to feature DJI's next-generation transmission system, often referred to as DJI O5, which promises stronger signal stability, lower latency, and greater range even in complex environments. This means smoother live feeds, more reliable control, and a much more immersive flying experience overall. Instead of worrying about losing connection, pilots can focus entirely on capturing the perfect shot. Artificial intelligence also plays a growing role in shaping the experience. From smarter subject tracking to automated flight paths and enhanced scene recognition, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to leverage AI to make advanced filmmaking techniques accessible to everyone. Whether it is automatically framing a moving subject, adjusting exposure in real time, or suggesting creative shot compositions, these intelligent features reduce the learning curve and allow users to achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. All of these advancements come together to create something that feels less like an incremental update and more like a complete reimagining of what a mini drone can be. It challenges long-standing assumptions about size, power, and capability, proving that you no longer need to choose between convenience and performance. The Mini 6 Pro stands as a symbol of how far technology has come, and more importantly, where it is heading. As the drone industry continues to evolve, devices like this push the boundaries of what creators can achieve. They democratize high-end filmmaking, putting tools once reserved for professionals into the hands of everyday users. The result is a surge of creativity, new perspectives, and stories that can be told from angles we have never seen before. In many ways, the Mini 6 Pro is not just another drone. It is a glimpse into the future of content creation, where limitations fade away and imagination takes center stage.